Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So today, what I'm going to do, I will talk about a very simple topic. Let's say you build a website, right? And then for whatever reason, you wanted to change the theme because the theme is yucky, and you wanted to change it or it's because of the customer requirement, right? And how do you do that? That's the thing I'm going to talk about today. It's very simple, but at the same time, it can be a nightmare at times, right? Because um, customer might have a different requirement. They may not like the look and feel and whatnot, right? And sometimes the initial theme which you decide to go with might be a bit clunky and it's not user friendly. Okay, so let's say we got this website here, right? Um, this is the partner portal, and for whatever reason, right, you wanted to change it to something else, right? So to do that, what you can do, you can go to the workspace builder, right? Sorry, the workspace under all sites, right? You come here, go to the setup, look for all sites, come here, go to the workspace, go to administrator, right? And then this is the first thing. So as you can see that this is a partner portal. So I can go to change template, right? And so close this one for a second. So if you do change template, you will get this changing a site template permanently deletes all your pages. So you just have to be careful with that, right? This is one of the common mistake people do. They don't read this instruction like I just did because I just ignored it. But if you don't pay attention to it, then you will permanently delete all your page. These things are simple, but if you say, "Oh, okay, I don't care," just accidentally click on OK without reading it, and you decide to go and change it, everything will be lost. So just remember that. Okay, whatever. Come on. I'm just gonna go back, right? Again, just gonna go to the workspace, and I'm just gonna go to administrator, change template. Yeah, I just do OK. All right, so it will take you to the template page. So that's one of the things I always encourage people to pay attention to the template you wanted to choose before you even start building it. There are different templates out there, out of box, like Help Center. If you wanted to build your Help Center, you can build Help Center. If you wanted to build a customer account portal, you can do that. If you wanted to build a customer service, if you wanted to build this Aloha, the Partner Center, build your own Aura, right? You can build your own customized solution if this is what you're after. But most of the time, people I've seen from my experience, they don't go for build your own. I mean, it happens, right? But not very common because usually people use existing template and build on top of it, which is pretty easy to do. It's not really difficult. And then this is the other one, Salesforce tabs and Visualforce. In this case, what I'll do, I'll go with this customer account portal and I'll say get started. Like I said, everything will be lost. So um, I would say site, portal site, right? So just remember this. This is how you can do it. So just gonna do the creation. So the thing's gonna be, well, what I was supposed to do. So this is, very simple. Um, so now, um, coming to the course, right, which I actually wanted to teach, as far as Experience Cloud is concerned, I think we've done most of the stuffs, right? And let me see the stuff which I wanted to do. Um, just to give an update where we are. So obviously I teach from Trailhead, as you know, right? Because Trailhead gives a pretty simple framework, so I can go and refer, and I'll teach you guys. And plus, I add my own experience, which I developed over the course of time. So we covered a lot of the knowledge. We covered experience, CMS I talked about in the last episode, right? And the you can. This is pretty simple, right? This is I already talked about the knowledge and how to add the CMS content experience site, which I've done already. You can change the theme layout, so which is something I'm doing it. So experienced cloud user. This we can talk about, right? Something in the next episode. So a few more stuff, and then we're done. I mean, so okay. So what we've done. So this is done, and now go to the builder. You see, everything looks different, right? Now, if I preview it, so this is what you look. This is what you get. So, like I said, it's completely different, and the side looks different. So that's one of the reasons why I often tell people, hey, pay attention to the pop-ups that comes out, right? Whenever you try to do something, because it means something. That's the reason why you do it. So now, if I do, where is it? Back to Builder. If I publish it, right? If I publish this to Partner Portal, I'll see the difference. It's going to take a while, but it doesn't matter. It's an ugly look, right? Because everything, whatever we've done, is completely gone, right? So yeah, but that's all right. I mean, we can, still work on it. We can still add more stuff to it. It's not a biggie. Uh, this is the reason why I wanted to talk about this specific topic. And if I come here, it's a customer account portal now, right? And if I come here and refresh it, and this one is gone. Let's see what we can get. What we get. Partner portal. You see? Now the old side is gone, right? So this is something very different, but that's all right. And so yeah, so this is how you can go and change the theme if that's what we're really after. But just pay attention to your existing tabs and the pages, right? So yeah, that's pretty much I wanted to talk about in this episode. I hope you guys have an amazing Tuesday. Adios.